So everyone, how you enjoying the game so far? Well, for one, the score's not that big. Oh, you realize Robert Lynn has 45 tackles and 10.5 sacks? Did you know that? Yeah, but the problem was with 3rd and 2. Come on, come on. Yes, come on. Yeah. No, not really Rams fan because St. Louis is in Louisiana. And I don't know any friends. I had all the losers live in St. Louis. Boo! Oh, it's true. I had a spoiler and sent it before so that way these people would win. The Seahawks would win. I don't know anyone who lives in St. Louis, so I don't root for them. I know people in Seattle. I know people in Cleveland. And I know people in New York. And I also know people in Los Angeles, so I root for the Lakers too. I don't know anyone in St. Louis though. I only know people in Alabama and Missouri. Okay, who are they? I'm not telling you. I don't think there's an NFL football team in Missouri. I'm just not sure what it's called. It might be. I'm not sure. Are you a Broncos fan? Oh yeah. Broncos is really good. But their Super Bowl win in 2014 this year. Not this year. Not this year.